Hey guys, what's up? It's Nick. Welcome back to another video. Before I start, I want to say my new album, Angel, just came out on Spotify and Apple Music and all the other smaller platforms. I'll leave a link down below, and if you want to give it a listen, that'd be really cool because I worked really hard on this album and I'm excited for people to listen to it. Alright, so if you didn't see the title, I'm going to be talking about my skincare routine because I did a favorites video a little while ago, and it got me thinking that like a lot of like the products I use are like really good and I want to like share. First off, this isn't like skincare, but it's like amazing and I've been using it for a while. It's the Harry's Shave Gel. So basically it's with aloe. It starts with gel, and then when you like rub it on your face, it becomes like foam, and it's really soft. Like after you shave, your face is so soft, and it smells really good. Anything by Harry's, honestly, I use their body washes, amazing. On for like face cleansers and stuff, there's two face cleansers I use and then one face scrub, and I kind of alternate between them just so like my face doesn't get used to it. I don't know if that's a thing. I've heard it's a thing. I don't know if that's a thing. Let me know if that's a thing. I use this Bulldog original face wash. It smells really good. It doesn't have a lot of chemicals in it, which is really good, and it smells really good, and it feels really good, and it keeps my face clear. This I've been using for like years. It's the Ultra Gentle Daily Cleanser by Neutrogena. I don't know if your like face is really sensitive, but mine is. After I use it, I always feel like so clean, and it's not harsh. Like I said, it's like ultra gentle and it feels really good and it works really well. Then for face scrubs, I use this maybe like once every like 2 or 3 days because I know it can be like hard on your skin, but it smells really good. I feel like this is like, I'm saying this about everything, but like this one smells like really good. It's by Burt's Bees. It's just a face scrub for men. It's with aloe and hemp, and it works super well. Like I noticed a drastic difference in my face because like I have a problem with like picking at my face sometimes, and this kind of like helps get all the dead skin off. Then there's 2 moisturizers I use that I also flip back and forth in. If I'm breaking out like a lot, I'll be using the CeraVe daily moisturizing lotion. It clears my skin really well. This one's more of like a stronger moisturizer. This is also from Bulldog. It's just the original moisturizer. This changed my life. My face gets dry really easily, so the fact that this is like a thicker lotion feels like so good, and it stays like it doesn't get dry. That like, because there's other moisturizers that I've used, and they're like, I'll put it on, it feels good, but then like literally 10 minutes later it feels like I didn't put anything on, and it like dries up. So it's helped so much. It'll stay like moisturized and feeling good for like a really long time. And then last but not least, also not like super skincare, chapstick. Use chapstick. My lips like get dry really easily, especially around this time. This before bed, and then when you wake up, and maybe like a couple of times throughout the day, helps so much. Chap Ice works, normal chapstick, Vaseline works. There's not really a specific like brand, just chapstick, use it. But yeah, that's my little skincare routine. I hope you guys can try out some of these products and let me know if they work for you. I'm glad I got to experiment a little bit with like what works, and this is kind of the best routine I've found. So yeah, before I go, I will say my album came out, so if you want to check it out, not to self-promote too much, but I'm really excited that it's out, and I really want you guys to listen to it. So that'd be really cool. And yeah, alright, I'll see you guys later, and let me know what more videos you want to see. Let me know on my Instagram. It's Nick Cameron, same as my username on here. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.